Invite your friends, invite your friends. God bless you. Blessing John, God bless you. Honorable Stanley Imade, God bless you. Please share, invite your friends, share, invite your friends, share, invite your friends. invite your friends, shall invite your friends, shall invite your friends. Thank you all. God bless you. God bless you in Jesus' name. Please also invite your friend. Please don't fail to like our page. That is very, very important. It's very, very necessary. We are going to be ending this music here right now. I want to appreciate each and every one. Please just share, invite your friend. Today is going to be very lovely. Today is going to be very lovely. Eternal King of Glory, I thank you for an hour like this. Ancient of Days, I thank you, Lord, for the gift of life. Father, Lord, I thank you, Lord, for the life of everyone that's going to be watching this video today, oh Lord, all over the world. Father, Lord, the strength they need in the time of their trials and temptation, you will bestow upon them in Jesus' name. Father, Lord, we pray, oh Lord, there will be calmness. Just the way you were in the same boat alongside with your disciple. Behold, there was a great storm. They were bothered because of their little faith. And you rose up and you stretched forth your hand, there were calmness. I pray today, O Lord, wherever rivers that be over troubled in our lives, I pray today, O Lord, let there be calmness in Jesus' name we pray. Amen. Please do not hesitate to invite a friend. Vicky Omo, you are welcome. God bless you. There's something that's happening right now in Oriomon. The NDDC, they want to comment what's right now in Oronigbe, and I want to give a shout out to Honorable. I call him Honorable because I doesn't like to start intimidating people. Honorable Jumbo Imade Yunuagbon. So that guy have really been trying to make sure that we have a gene in Oronigbe. I want to personally appreciate him from here for the good work he has been doing. So this video was sent today. I just want every one of us to take a close look. So just listen. Don't be inconvenienced.
Good morning.
Just listen.
People of Oronigbe. This is Edogun Road. Edogun Road, as you can see. The NDDC Part 2. When I came back from Libya, from the Sahara Desert, I told you guys this road will be sold. The NDDC refused to do this road. As you can see, this is Edogun Road. When you are on your way coming from garage, that is the garage side.
This one is for all the citizens of Oronigbe.
The NDDC, this road was abandoned.
Just listen, invite your friend. Today is going to be great. Invite your friend. NDDC Armenia, my cry, my voice, NDDC have heard my voice. The governor of Edo State, Obaseki, have heard my voice. The commissioner of NDDC, my senior brother, Mr. White, that mapped this road, former commissioner of NDDC. My good father, may your days be long, Baba Paragon. Mr. Paragon was the one that mapped this Edogun Road, that mapped all the whole road in Oronigbe. NDDC always worked on Okaligban Road, and this road was abandoned by the NDDC administration. Please just bear with me.
But today, I'm telling the people of Oronigbe, home and away, this is clear reality, this is truth. As you can see this road, I'm assuring you, the next week, this road is not going to remain like this. The NDDC have heard my voice. The governor of Edo State, your Excellency, Mr. Obaseki, Norena. So I'm so very happy for you to remember NDDC to come and tie our road for us. So I respect my local government chairman, Baba Tuale for you, Baba Sylvester. Baba, I assure you, say, as far as say NDDC don't vow, they see me one-on-one. They drove to my house. I discussed with the contractor of NDDC. They are starting this road in the next 3 days. Today date is 6th of November.
Please
if I'm not
invite
mistaken.
your friend, invite your friend. We're supposed to be having a food
Today
house.
6th of November. So I'm assuring you, before on the 9th, you people should take a look at this road. It's not going to remain like this. This house you are seeing today, this Izeko house. I
will pause it here because of time. I want to give, I want all Urunigbe brothers and sisters, our daddies and our mommy, Ionaka Abok Momona, because Owa Nememere Onwina Kodeko de Namewe Ewaya Lagoda no. Ometin wa bemi kune the one way or the other, but any agige. I don't wear a lele won yao. So what I want to all Urunigbe brothers and sisters, he only appreciate our beloved brother for what he's doing. We need this kind of people in our society who can always help bring out things that are not working well. You know, as we all know, he confessed it one time that he used to be very stubborn, but today you can see that the kind of life he's living today is a different life entirely. I say, Jumbo Imade, God will bless you richly for this work you are doing. The gods of our land will stand by you in all your life endeavor. So right now, we want to be going to our topic improper. Our topic improper, and by the grace of God today, I have to temper messing with justice. Because there are a lot of things which I don't really know how to do. Not that I cannot do it, I don't just want to do it because of what? I have my own personal way of doing things. So what I want to picture to our notification here is this. There are so many scriptural verses I want to be reading to us right now to enable us get an insight of what we are supposed to do or what we are not supposed to do. I want to first of all appreciate our wonderful palace. May our King live long in Jesus' name. So right now, there is something spectacular I want to be telling you. If you read the book of Proverbs chapter 22 verse 28, it says, remove not the ancient landmark which thy father have set up. Remove not. That's why you see so many things today that is happening in social media right now. A lot of us, we don't know. We don't know. That's why if you are not be given certificate, or you are not be permitted to block on certain issues, we should be please caution ourselves and be afraid of some certain things we put our mouth. Like what I be trading in social media right now, you know, it will be trading here and there and all of other. But I've been hearing news, a lot of people have been calling me, Comrade Newton, what is your stake on this issue? What is your stake on these issues? Are you going to come out quoting the Bible? I say, yes, I have to quote the Bible still. Now, there are so many scriptural verses I will be quoting today, but not to kind of rusticate anybody or to kind of downgrade anybody, rather than to put sense into our head. For you to carry your father's issues, you carry it out outside, and let people that is not supposed to intrude to it, and they are now intruding. What are you doing? I will leave you for God to be judged. Or I will leave you to answer that question to yourself. Okay, if you look at the problem that is going on right now, it is just a little problem. If we know what we are supposed to do. There what we call in the Bible, the Pentecostal, they call it acknowledgement. For your sin to be forgiven, you have to acknowledge. You don't just expect God. God will not look you because you are crying. Because you are crying, you are feeling pain. No. If you look at Jeremiah, the book of Jeremiah, God told Jeremiah, I know you from your mother's womb. But if you go to Matthew 7:7, the same Jesus, which is also God, he said, ask and it shall be given, seek and it shall find. How is it that God that created us, he knows that we need a car, he knows that we need a child? Is he tell us to go and be fasting? I'm talking in parable here. One thing, if you know you are against anything, what you first of all do, acknowledgement. Very, very important. What is acknowledgement? I was wrong. I'm sorry. But the reason why there is too much noise today in social media, I does not understand. I can't really get it clear. You are not a chief judge. Now, I just quoted a verse to us because most of the time I find out that anytime I'm reading, if my mind referred me to open to so and so book like this, I will end up getting something from it that will even enable me come on social media next week to talk about. I've given a lot of insight as I'm quoting this Proverbs 22 verse 28 right now. I did not bother about 29 because 29 does not reflect to what I'm going to say. You can go there, open to that same proverb and get from it. The problem that we have today, we never want to learn. We never want to learn. That's the problem we have. A lot of us, there are so many people today. I'm not going to be mentioning it for security reasons. I respect very well in this social media cyberspace. Why? Because they do not just intrude into issues. You cannot be a motivational speaker when you talk about one issue for 4 hours. It's a taboo. And what issue are you talking about? You are talking about the issues, the fathers. There is more than enough fathers in Edo land. Anyway, you know where you can. Oh, you are on the no soil. And we say we have respect. I'm a be manibu. Emi yavagbona, or maybe now we're here. Edo we okado kade, azo we ukedin, nana ruawe. Unyeme wabu no gwi mane manibu no ware social media na. And most of the time, no waka bo wa di mese we wait go ba dole do yi. Ewon ba ne do. Eyi ma no ma ese mi ropa no ma sere owe no ba ya riloto. Ewon ba magita kugba kege. Ogire ni wunwima. Okaka boda na. There when ana do tie me mani bu tie me. Owie pa. Uwi ataye me na. Now, wage mage be no wage. Nage me ne be no wage. That kema no riga we mi e no heke ni awu. Now, let me first of all take you to the book of Isaiah 38 verse 1. He said, in those days Hezekiah was sick and near to death. And Isaiah the prophet, the son of Amos, went to him and said to him, thus saith the Lord, set your household in order. I want to tell us something. And if not because where imaho nido offende manibun, ige wa sunu ye manibun, no egun ajeme na kegega, no ma diye, no ma obi ye me yari neme. But ma oreti ma sofure ye mi, ima de gbe samo oba meze, but on your magi ma me ya, obo kan sukpe wewe. But man if you do mama no wo kan sukpe wewe, obo kan no ya teme no ma keke no ta, o sukpe wewe. Okay, ka bo wa dan. Edo we ron re bie mo. Even our monarch gumeke gbe me bae ma so ni mind egbe ma yupe kan arusu mana mame ebe school no jo se ni marie mo bo wa ge woke vi maga redo maga chichi uswame school na o ma ye na wa ma yo right from time we e omo na o kamu na be a court of justice ama woke wa ga mo mata na re table ore na ya tare ba oke na we no ma emi wo hia do ta magbon ohin no keke negwabu gebgwa ma bo ese o ya me ya tamima emi ne be no wan ka be Proverbs 22 verse 28 or we remove not remwehi ave o hioto na very man de degbe yoto o we nu gemwehi ke no jere. In the English, say, remove not the ancient landmark which thy father have set up. Everything has its own constitution, and constitution must have to follow. Right now, a lot of people have been running questioning, why must this be done like that? How do you want it to be done? How do you want it to be done? Ask me, how do you want it to be done? Right now, if you are being sentenced by a law court, what you do right now is to reappeal. You have to reappeal. At times, what makes diaspora police to deal with you seriously, instead of you to agree, say this thing I don't want, you will go make them go to spend thousands, millions of euros, still go to spend more time to investigate a case that would have just lasted for 1 month. That's why a judge will ask you at times, guilty or no guilty. At times you have to say you are guilty. The more you say guilty, the lesser the case becomes for you. At the time you say you are not guilty, you want the judge to adjourn the case again. Now so your jail sentence go still take high. What are we talking about here? I don't understand. And there are so many issues that the normal protocol needs to be observed. If you are having problem, first of all, you see a lawyer. Or you call a very close friend to you. If at all he doesn't know any lawyer, who can prescribe or describe a lawyer for you, who can be able to handle that case. Edona we agawu egboma eawiagbe. Omimi negbuwe keke no unuwe. Ose wo we no egbenu we kere o we no e. Eno gievu we o we no we. Ose bi won. Edona yakpita we o we na we wa adegbagada agu won bomo we. Ogbon atai owe na ye mi esi kowo ema owe bi runda we egede adotoku we adotokime eni keke unyime ona akanse yae we na ri awari adene edene mi ga sunu da we umi o matutie. That's why today we keep on putting blames on innocent people over our calamity or over the mistake that we have done. Why? Because we do not follow the necessary protocols. If police happen to tell you, leave this country, what do you have to do now? Carry that same paper, meet a lawyer. Lawyer know the way to write an appeal. Without you appealing the case, how will a judge forgive you? There is no judge that will forgive you without you appealing the case. But when you find out that the effort you put in, if you want mobilizing people on ground, please go and see how you can help me out in these issues. If you watch it right now, I'm just trying to be very, very careful by the grace of God. Not that I don't have anything to say. In this matter, we were supposed to set up a podium for this kind of issue where you are, first one as a person, you are free. What is your stake in this issue from our beloved palace? I know what I will say. But I'm not here to come and tell you where whatsoever decision that be taken is right or is wrong. But I'm here to come and tell us where we should always have a rethink. Every year I'm viewer. No ya gate bo emi nkan we eto gwale viewer. O ma no maeti e chite commence on the school. Wo rien doit contester mene. E mona ki bu ga aria bo e se ma bo e se o damn no one bungbe. That's why a lot of people will never learn. Iya here TV emi ani ama oni abe. Iya here TV emi. Please excuse me. Hello, mama. Hello, come, mama. Mommy la gun wa fin ire la Facebook la ya wa finish ati we wo be la ire broadcast la mommy la kada. So as I was saying, iya ka bo suleme no bon so de 74 we owo kan so pe we. Then like I was saying, I quoted Isaiah chapter 38 to us. There is something I want us to get, though where itan fima do idigwe agbeme o ma. Iwe ni do la se fena ni do ya vo mama ne bun velo salobo anowo doa o iwe won agbon na serio ona gyu pomo pa no mega de no do wuye o ho ima wuwe and we have do get de na uswemi ne o sanogo doa no yagbon ye imi Ona ri ukpo mo pa no mede. Uwe ko emi no rusa lo bare do wu yi ni. E ma na gbona ye like ni ma o. Ogbon wa ya se wan. O wa koro e. Emi no ma yo boy ko oro. Ona be yave vo mama we o we ye mi esi ko. Ae, yege ari uta. Now, Ezekiah yako. Ona ye iwuna no salogwa mune. Ona we we no heke osalumba yawe because on we do bagari edibohin nebote a day visitation or whatever thing you have done. That's why whatever thing you are doing in this life, your good will speak for you. Then if you read that same Isaiah 38 verse 2, or when then Ezekiah turned his face towards the world and prayed unto the Lord. What does he pray? God, check my record. This was Ezekiah was a prophet, he was a servant of God. And Isaiah as a prophet, I told us some time ago, Isaiah chapter 6 verse 1, he says, since the day King Uzziah died, Isaiah, I saw the Lord. It will be praying and supplication right from the one, and acknowledgement. You have to acknowledge. Irrespective, no matter how your father will love you. Una woku no ma hekeve no manata we gbigwe soto we laora me lao. Emini ni tani. Erige yata lao gegwi yabo me yabo. Eri de lo almost okowonu la dan we baba gegwi. Era I love we egbe. Ore woke ukpomo pa ni emokin. Owe where you tita mama sorry. That's why our dad that time, they will demand sorry from us. They are trying to teach us where this is a thing you are supposed to do. But at the time you grow up and to be a man or you are not a lady or whatever, then they will no longer be telling you all those things again, rather than putting you onto some certain subjection. That's why disciplinary measure. In the book of James, or where who God loves, he chastises. What is chastening? Discipline. At times, God disciplines you not to hurt you, rather than for you to realize your mistakes, so that this thing you will not do it again. But a lot of us today, we are cutting it from one perspective and trying to put so many people inside. Now make a not learn or make a not go. And when this thing will happen, the people that they are putting their name inside right now, they were not there. There are some errant now where you are no option rather than to provide the person who wants some way. You must provide the person. At times, I see the way at times the way we judge so many issues. No wonder where but anything in my mind can. If you know your brain have not been yet photosynthesized, or my way beside your brain have not been drained, you then bring that solution. Don't just come on I talk show us issues. I guess this can come of the materials, some of the things that are made for activists, no work no raw. Activists that have seen life. This is not a matter for motivational speaker or whatever they call themselves. This is a very crucial issue and a special procedure need to be followed. Otherwise, you'll be charged for wandering. Then verse 3. And he said, remember now, O Lord, I pray how I have walked before you in truth and with a loyal heart, and I have done what is good in your sight. And Ezekiah wept bitterly, because there shall come a time comes in your life when you are being accused the way you are not supposed to be accused. What you do right now is to say, no, king, check my record. Check your record. That is why your good work is what is going to speak for you in the time of your predicament. That is why I've come here several times with that number, telling us in the book of Luke chapter 6 verse 31, he said, do unto others likewise. That is why those good works you have been doing, there are so many areas I'm not going to go. because I'm not the most brilliant person. I will not come here to come and tell anybody what he's going to do. But my prayer, is that God should send up his word to every heart so that they know what they are supposed to do in the mighty name of Jesus. I pray that God will send up his word. Then he said, Hezekiah wept bitterly. And the word of the Lord came again to Isaiah, saying, go and tell Hezekiah, thus saith the Lord God of David, your father, I have heard your prayer, and I have seen your tears. Surely have we add another 15 years what to your age. Why? Because you speak. Right now, let me be a little bit truthful to us. Now, don't know waiting time. How many videos has he done right now? Okay, Baba ni Baba. Nothing. Why we the people of this world? Why are we so wicked? Why are we so crooked? Why do we not choose to become a misguided element? What's any manner in no heke yata ni mata? Ni mana italo waka? I can't really understand so many things. You know, because the way I was called, you show that you have been talking and people have been valuing your word. In a way, my brother, I'm still going to speak the little I can because I've not been given permission to really do this. Admit your fault. Admit. The book of James chapter 5 verse 16, he said, confess your fault one to another. God told us, confess your fault. Confess your fault. I am faulty, please. Forgive me what I've done. You agreed. Okay, somebody that agreed that I did not do it, even when we know that he did it. Okay, why are we putting blame on this and that instead of us to face our problem and find a solution to it? Right now, we begin to offend so many people who would have even helped us to mobilize and say, nobody is seeking for the solution. We are still pointing accusing finger on people. I've been watching people since on Saturday. I have not seen anyone waiting a program video on it, but I've not had somebody tell me, well, look at the stake of this person. It is very nice. If I want to blow your mind right now, I will change my topic. But I don't mean it type of way. That's the question. That's why we need to be very, very careful. We are so judgmental. Look at the book of John chapter 8, verse 4. When there was a woman that was caught in the very act of adultery. And they brought him to Jesus. He said, what said thou? This woman was caught in the very act. That's in John chapter 8 verse 5. He said, according to the law of Moses, this woman, this very woman, but that woman never said, well, that woman keeping quiet, or make my Jesu where he gele where me fan. Oh man, no man, okay, no ari na be zeri no one. Gwa gi mari enwa yu hu e me so no kunu maladian. Abe zeri no one. This woman, when they were accusing this woman, oh man, tami Jesu we, no, I not doing. Okay, no, imawe, who was ever man, this and that, imawe. This woman agreed in the book of John chapter 8, verse 5. You know, according Moses igbe yoto. Owo gbe owo hokuna. Owe awa you gbe salo. Agbon yoto already. Agbon ene. Emi na agbon yoto no. But Jesu gige omo roto. We na be hu emi na yi. We na be hu emi. Oku ni magwan. O mata we no nya me ya seba me. Because gele ene gi ewe. Oh man no miekwe. We have a problem how we yo bona. Oh, man, no man, me problem. Why are we your born here? And right now we are saying, some people have been telling me, oh, where you are. Oh, we don't go in, I don't work. Now you say make you not do this thing. I will do you West Five. Wagi mate mataveme. Do mame menuta. And o yeso ro ni mane mana gonabo. Oh, wo ma mo me ma ya bo yeso. Why ga bo yen video? Wagi ma wa agree we unyime na o magba. Uge miekwe. Uwa miekwe. The woman, this woman upon, he never say this you are full of no amore bame because anywhere managi say be that the man leg binane and there is never a time our palace will allow anybody Oma do lavani awo ma mi hun yapa eri sunu ebe sunu oba ma jebere oba atope itroso ba severio ebe sunu on anything on that duress ere gwaba amu eri gan laora me la ogegui unu me won woto imeme ni anate bonu ya erere mo ma gba la ogegui la o wawari omo yi imami no yin mo ari obago hotel de ta gugun era me no gete ata then what will be more than that? Do you people see any igwe that the way another of igwe you talk trying to pick stock? We mana talo here. And right now we are splitting all manner of things in social media as if na make na age our monarchy we wage eminia over. Ebe no salo boya gwenye ebe no one eri oji. Wage mafiu ni me wuri. Wage mafiu ni me wuri because no lagbon na tin ro. Let's learn to admit our fault. You must have to admit. Very, very compulsory. It is a written condition. You must have to agree. That's why a judge a case. So why get angry? I'm working. I'm your boy. I'm me boy. I'm me no boy. No need of you wasting time. Now do I sit here case you several times. Just agree, gritty or no gritty. I'm gritty, my lord. Get a few niggas no do anything. But see you wanna. E kia mi kue. Oh ye mi no sunu ya sunu. Me mami no e very okay. Oga to mi ekwe e nana ge sunu. Ari o na ya gbali innocent people. Asi o very gbowara. Mani ri edo so. Ma si o very gbowara. Owo ma mo ma na ya mo ebono to gbo ma. Vi ma yo na ya diana. De ke no na ya mo marie. De ni ma ya mi e wona. O ti na me ye ke. Na be send me me. A phone. Okay, sorry. I have a message that if I come here, talk about it, at least one or two persons must listen, and there must be a sense why so many things must have to. Okay, man, we are in here now. Oh man, we are in here now. What is the stake in this issue? What is the stake on this issue? No video, not too much concern about it. He is not calling his kinsman in the village. Work again now. Or any boy, there are ways you even go to the palace. If you want to go to the throne of His Royal Highness or His Royal Majesty, there are ways you go there. I'm going to tell you, you carry the people that matters along, and those people know how to buttress when they got there. I mean, no get the way. Na haya tueri man on rekete no yose. Iya emi na gawu. Na do me woke ohu nu. Okay, o man no see where in my way. I don't even know why I'm talking about this much. Because I'm just trying to correct so many impressions who were me. Some people, 80,000 people will just be watching them. Vatalona, injecting people no man pa my va and you way. Only has solved the issue. Only has solved it. A police na gewe we ati o manare umera dun ya wo mami o mane but erima una we mi ona wo mami o a we dege wu oguta una we toge aga we dege wo mo na oguta. Please let's try and change our behavior. So that was what happened. God later add what? More 15 years to the life of Hezekiah. Why? Because Hezekiah contested. God, check my record. God, check my record. That's why I don't know how right I'm going to be in mentioning this issue. Please, if I mention it wrong, please forgive me. Or me tampa na pewe or we ohon ba mo na re hion edo yo ya pitan. That is to say, well, no matter what, if you are in the midst of His Royal Majesty, you must still breathe. That is to say, well, edo yo wa kamima well, no edo ya je a suffocation gbegboa. He give us guarantee where I be keneri maje ajebe hion. All those is iwe mi no ni ma. Iwe mi no ni ma, iwe mi no kwa wano. But emiro na lelewe do. Emiro na lele. O mano yen ebe wo uku ne. O be ame mi no ave u. Let's quickly forget about that. And if you read the book of Proverbs chapter 21 verse 23 precisely, he said, whosoever that keep his mouth and his tongue, keepeth his soul from trouble. Omano gbunu yegbe. Deba oma no ma be gia won fe gbe. Owo mani ori hin mere. The book of Proverbs behind. But today, are we keeping our mouth? No, we are not keeping our mouth. We are still very busy. So Mareva is already a risky constitution. What are you trying to say? Injustice was done. Only wa watana. Waru emunuwa imaneme maunu imanogwa seto issue with social media. Imaye den waje school of law now with social media. Me mo hin no wa ebude na wa ma ebo hin wa emu ebe babode ebori ono wa emu de yakporu a emano yakporu ya we know our stake in this issue, or we prove of Proverbs 22 verse 20, or we remove not the ancient landmark which the father have set up, as you are laying complaint unknowingly without you knowing. Nikompu, you are trying to remove the ancient landmark which your father has set up. Those is the written constitution. And those same constitution, there are where you also appeal to it. You don't want to appeal. You don't want to appeal. You don't want to appeal. Then a lot of our time we keep on shouting. We keep on shouting. I've served these people. I've done this. We are not talking about that right now. If you read the book of Romans chapter 14 verse 10, he said, let not your good be evil spoken of. Let not your good be evil spoken of. Tu we to buwe. U can ruwe nwanwe. Na do miesi nu ne have do woman we say. That's what's wrong with some people today. Always when say along the line, it can be more do lie sagging eh. Or do I get better baby baba? Veno ya swen he ye onire o so agwan be no ri ami o gbe no ri eko o ga gbe no keko de. That's the problem. Oni ologo manore mani bon dagmon de na do mi we no te we mi ne no keke na pon e keke abi utiemo o sewe urieru meri ejuhu etome kwonko ya wa wi ohian sunu. Let not your good be evil spoken of. We have to be very, very careful. We have to be very, very, very careful. You have the book of Proverbs chapter 18 verse 21. Away death and life is the power of the tongue, and that the Lord he shall eat the fruit thereof. Death and life are in the power of the tongue. We don't know. At the time you split what you are not supposed to split for your mouth, immediately follow it up amicably. This one was not just created like that. The government have their constitution. The traditional ruler have their rules. They have their constitution also. For any government to temper justice with mercy, you have to follow the right protocol. And don't work bomb again go. Unuma digwena. Egeni ma energy ni ma ekukugbe. Na ya o emi no bun we wa kiangi wo na he na. We are using it to start accusing people. Hey, is that the problem? Okay, what about that to say where in my own matter where no sooner where there your injustice is no my own matter, but accusing somebody which is more closer. Wagima gunu ima or wokan esukbe wo we or wokan mare se no kan we waru enwanu wa e social media waru enwanu wa na be yagbo wasan be ariota ne wa we ne be wa wo ma be see you wa gbe edo we obo ma yakosun no yan ma ologo ma so no re ma so dagbon be de na obi an ya sie. Let us be very, very careful. It is very, very necessary that we'll be very, very careful with everything that we do. Everything that we do. Proverbs chapter 4 verse 23. He said, keep the heart with all diligence, for out of it there are issues of lives. Or when you kakabo baogorion we say, Emi anu onu wagbona oriona eoyi. ba orion we say wa mi na so na we mi awe orion ma so ikata orion ni ma orien baby o me e kan e baby o me. Keep your heart. Keep your heart. Proverbs 4:23. Keep your heart with all diligence. Wherever thing you may be, wherever predicament you may find yourself, what makes you a man is to believe. And right now, could you know, before embarking on any journey, you must have to design in your mind what you are going to do. Very complex. You have to first of all design in your mind. Look at what I'm going to do when I got there. When this man, what was his original plan? I feel worried about. Nana accuse him of it. What was his original plan? He can't pre-plan and look at what he's going to say. For you to first of all agree this thing I did it, automatically when it now comes to the place, journey of no return, it's not you to say, have mercy on me. Have mercy. Then you start denying. This was you everybody all see in social media. That you came out and you were crying. You even scrub your mouth on the ground. But it came to a time when you were supposed to say, yes, I did it. It was out of mistake. Please forgive me. You said you are not the one. You prefer to put your hand there. Please, let's be very, very careful. If I had the full license to really talk about this in full, would I be having a lovely about how to use parables? So that to avoid me putting myself in a state of dilemma. So we have to be very careful. And I told us out there, we are quickly going to look at your most important leadership tools. Let's quickly look about your most important leadership tools. Then we look at it under 3 subheadings. Reason why you must guard your heart. You know, I just told us that keep your heart with all diligence in the book of Proverbs chapter 4 verse 23. Then like the issue of heart. Then we want to see right now the reason why you must guard your heart. Your heart is the most important leadership tool that you have. Your heart. That's why you have to guard your heart from all trouble. If you see some people right now, if they are going on interview, they've already know that any question they ask me, look at what I propose to tell them in my mind. That's why you have to guard it from trouble. You have to guard it. It is not your experience, knowledge, or skills. It is your heart that matters most of all. It is your heart that is the most essential part of your body. That's why if you see some people right now, you say out of the abundance of the heart, the man they speak. The reason why you see some people at times they lay too much causes. That's why you see them lay causes, even when they know that it's same war. And these same people right now is afraid. These same people right now, they are afraid. And these are the same thing they have been doing against people. That's to say they know it. Then from today now, you will know that most of these things people are doing, they know that it exists and the key. And why are you doing it? If you look at everybody right now, a lot of people are beeping here and there. A news in down. You know, okay, why did you intend doing it benevolently? And most people, they are happy doing it. They are happy. They are very, very more comfortable laying it. Or as if he won a lottery to uncertain word. And right now, we know that those things all exist. This is a lesson to everyone. We should be very, very careful about some people we get close to. Very, very careful. We should be very, very careful about so many things that we are putting in our hand. So the reason why you must have to guard your heart is that heart is the most important leadership tools that you have. It is not your experience, knowledge, or skills. It is your heart that matters most of all. Then point number 1, because your heart is extremely valuable. Point number 1, because what? Your heart is extremely valuable. We don't guard worthless things. I took my garbage to the street on the roadside most of the night completely unguarded. Why? Because it is worthless. The reason why we throw away dustbin because it does not worth anything. We go and dump it there at the dustbin at the roadside, either in the night or anytime we are leaving home. Okay, this dustbin don't for me. I go full. Me I go do one. A lot of people right now they choose to use pancake, Mary Kay, to paint all their faces. That's why if you see some women right now, even for social media, you will see the thing will be like Kofi. How they want that a Tesco painting in a thing or Nigerian makeup. These same people, they did not guard their heart the way they guard their face. They prefer to guard their face, but their heart, where the issue of life lies, the issue of life, where it lies, they does not guard it. That's why you see them putting their hand into different kind of problem. That's why the book of Proverbs chapter 21 verse 23, he said, whosoever that keepeth his mouth and his tongue, keepeth his soul from problem. This is for our makeup people. He does not keep his heart safe. Oh, why are women? But he believes that outward appearance is what that matters. What matters most what is your heart. You will live long is your heart. Agmama, where is your heart? You will be rich is your heart. He said, as a man thinketh in his heart, so he is. And the Bible went further to go and explain to her. He said, out of the abundance of the heart, the man speaketh. That's why today, many people are so poor in heart. That's why you see it in their action. Very, very poor in heart. Emeno konuladian weba miema lauda we emeno konuladian. Iwa wuna day in and day out eyanta. Oye menati. They don't even have evidential value for themselves. Iyama value egbi iyama wetin iyama hon egbi iyama wetin heno. That's the problem people are having today. That's why if you have some people around you who does not believe in what will happen to their heart, run away from them. That's why if you see some people right now, if they make up finish all those eyelashes, it go look like mommy water, but his character is caricature. Your beauty will attract a man, or your beauty will attract a woman. What will make the man to stay is your character. Makeup will only attract the man to come. With your chassis and the eyelashes, what will make the one to say unime? I don't want you one. Ukmona tan you veno. Ilavo de or haveno ye. That's the problem that we have today. Ilavo de. At the time Ilavo de not begin to speak, then we'll be complaining. That is why it is very, very important. Ni maye mi no mayako. So that ego kekegare ne mana gomie ewi no matale lima because I don't know. Look at Dorcas in the Bible when she died in the book of Acts. It was the whole widow. No, Dorcas now. No, Dorcas, you know that they ran a cop Peter. Peter, what don't want? They ran a cop Peter. But today, in the time of your predicament, how many people will stand where no, this thing will not happen to them? No, this thing will not happen. How many people will say that? Are they going to be saying, or what kind of song are they going to sing on your behalf? That's what matters. Let's push further. Not so with your heart. It is essential of you. It is your authentic self. The core of your being. It is where all your dreams, your desire, and your passion lives. Your heart is where all your dreams, your passion, and your desire. That's why today a lot of people, they are conservative elements. At the time, their heart cannot conserve anything good rather than what they are. That's why what you hate did not come to you. At the time you hate progress, at the time you hate truth, you will never hear truth in your life. That's why today a lot of people, they go to different platforms right now. Can our mama go to? Our mama go to? If no mama, our mama yo, at the end of the day, when me party are you okay? That's the problem that we have. We don't want to learn. Mama only my women by me. Thank God for the life of Imade Stanley. He taught us. I was with him this afternoon. He taught us so many things. I was swimming. I mean, we go in the how many people will come now? Go and be looking for that video. He only hear me from this boy. Apart from when I tell him, no marking here. Emi name meaning we left him. Emi no give my yawu. e ma odi ma dan we ama odi ma lago da. These are some of the problems that we have today. So if you guard your heart, even a dream way, even a desire way, emi anuri agwalo, emi no nu kian wagbon orion we na okeke. No gba oge, agba oge. That's why me will have a wuna, I will make gentle so rest in peace. I will rest in peace. Orion we ni wa yagba orion we. That way I know where you know you weni. That way we know where home where mulari when we ya o when do aya ma hair abi when ma ya wulo he we ye abi dada o ma no gbe lo ma wa working abi o ma no gbe o ma ye emi working emi o baba emi ododo na kan ma e working ya ọ̀tá no wa na ki no ekeni manegbi ma ori mana vi maya gba ore na imeke ya de block ibuseloa ni do te brigi la pani ado mani ado we fence yo na 50 by 100 no a defense yo mwebe no wa no ti atie wo salobo agwan kan yabo wo salobo awoni maya nyagbon na he e yaru webe no wa wa mi bro wa atie o se abi wemi abi mani poru nyano ma o salobo a iya ya vo ni mane vege no gbera even with Jesus unu ipede no we gbe wa to ve su we ye gbere ma we no yokuta na yakin ba Jesus na yo mi tama why because ogba orion re ona mi tama sun Oti mani magba orion ga to gba orion say if no ga conceive because he was having ya waseva when akawa ya wika wa lovie he was sun ve ya was a vie he was so he was bodu won e da mi wa lebowere iteta maita he wa be mi kune he does not guard the heart. My God on him. We are going somewhere. Just like your physical body, if your heart, your spiritual heart dies, your leadership dies. You see today that the problem we have in administration in Nigeria, in our political administration, because why me my so I will want we no we be what's na ma genge oma wona me ko na to see why because the mamerio in akiri han sune. That's why una mi awe oku ni awu o a government opa o wa rekete ve na gwa ma he ve the government do state ye. I think this one will urge me to show the video of Rochas Okorocha. A country and boy country, on the estate. A country in a country. I want to show the country ne Rochas Okorocha boy. These are the people, their heart have been buried. Oriya buried. Our bury Oriya. They buried their heart already. Now, I want to quickly show us, glance through and show us some certain things here. Now, this is a school in Ibadan where our Vice President, Professor Yemi Osinbajo, spent 1.8 million daily on the field of the children. Where Ivan Ibeka, Igo Ibeka Yariye. It's called Pana Ibadan. Ekenawa Luigo no Simon Gbenyi. It's school na Kena. Then o mana no tell na na ladian ogun wa jo salobo ano yo se o win kin ekeni bi ka na wo mi na yo owebe na kin. Now egbe mami ana iya me no mania o ekian e mana salobo atawo we tekian gbi won o salobo o wa ya gbu ni ma o we ni ma gba ori ma ka ni ma gba ori ma se Ruda we worry money, even in Makian, Wagbon, even no money Makian, even no money Maudama, Eoji. Oh, what I mean, my son, aware, Oria, Ionia, Bema, Eanadam, Ladian, we copy cable, or when no one, no wagu, if you wulo, a boy wulo, or na wulo, Orion, okay. Uson Averio, Ian Monian, Orion Saloboa, Equanatosi, Evan Verio man. So, I want to show us Rochas Okorocha. The house of Rochas Okorocha.
I'm just taking
The house of Rocha Sokorocha. A country.
I'm just taking
A country, yeah, boy, a country.
Rochasi Sokorocha's wife, estate, Akachi.
I'm not talking about joining a church.
Wonderful place. Look at what this man has used our money for. Wow. Wow. Pensioners are dying every day.
Please, let
Rochasi Sokorocha and the wife are taking our money, building exquisite homes.
Now country build country. This one are country.
Exquisite homes.
This one are country.
When you enter here, the security that is here is wonderful. Brothers, make on look. What a wonderful place. What a wonderful place. He's left and right too. Left and right. What a wonderful place. What a wonderful place. God will punish these Rochas and his generation. God will punish these Rochas and his generation. Taxpayers' money. Taxpayers' money. I thank God we are going to, I will even collect one building here. Taxpayers' money. Taxpayers' money. Taxpayers' money.
You see building. You see building. So these are the kind of people who have already sold their soul to devil. They've sold their soul to devil already. They don't have human sympathy. That one not be. That one is a full state. That one, if they say they should detach the house that is there is more than the whole house in Uronigbe or the whole Yekorion. Let us do each flat. We'll come put them each flat for ground. That is a full state. The way those states in him. These are the leaders who have sold what they are sold to the devil because they does not guide what their heart. What their heart tells them, eat all. Don't remember them. Make it to one. They don't have human sympathy. So that is how wicked this life will be. This is how wicked. This is how wicked some people will be. So what am I trying to buttress to you? Even King Solomon. This is why King Solomon says above all, he does not say if you get around to it or it would be nice. Or if not, he says make your heart stop your first priority. You have to make your heart what? Your first priority. Take care of your heart before making up. What did you conceive in your heart every day by day? What kind of mind did you have towards people that are passing through problems? What kind of mind are you trying to escalate people's problem or you try to find a way you can cause solution? Point number 2, because your heart is the source of everything you do. We have just treated point number 1, because your heart is extremely valuable. Then point number 2, because your heart is the source of everything you do. King Solomon says it is the wellspring of life. In other words, it is the source of everything else in your life. Your heart overflows into thought, word, or action. Your heart overflows into thought or action. You see where the problem of our brothers comes in. He does not guide up his heart. He never knew that his heart is everything. Ebi ya no worion hian kere. Ora ila worion udo yerere we o he. At times, he enter your head, you take it and drop it here. This thing wey dey my mind, I go do am. This house, I must build am. You don't take wey dey my, you know they say dey your head. This thing wey dey my mind, so I must do am. That's why whatsoever you are going to become alive, you've already conceived of it. That's why you see people who always say, do not mock at me. Because God is working in my life. And if no saloba when I devil work by, I don't do me. I mean, I'm you. If I don't care, So we have to be very, very careful the way what we take off our. Likewise, if your heart is unhealthy, it has no impact on everything else. It is threatening your family, your career, your legacy. It is therefore imperative. And you have to guard it. If your heart has been attacked, nothing you can do again. Then you begin to do things, mistakes everywhere. The decision you are not supposed to take, you go and take it. What you are not supposed to do, you go and do it. A lot of people today you see that commit crime, their heart have been attacked. They refuse to guard up their heart. They refuse to read the book of Proverbs 4 verse 23 that says, keep the heart with all diligence, for out of it are issue of life. And these are the things more youth are lacking today. They never know that their heart have been attacked. A lot of people right now, they are living their heart no longer with them. That's why they do whatever thing that comes from their mind. If you want people today that go there to go and do ritual, their heart have been attacked. That without me doing ritual, killing people to make money, there's no way I will not be comfortable. Why were me my son? Oh my goodness. Because why? The heart have been attacked. That's why the Bible, there was a very big reason why the Bible told us. He said we should guard our heart. Whatever it takes you to guard your heart, guard your heart. A lot of people right now, they spend money building 10 flats, but they doesn't bother about their heart. If you check their heart right now with a microscope, their heart is as dirty as any other thing. That's why you see some people right now, they split all manner of nonsense from their mouth. They split all manner of nonsense from their mouth. Why? Because their heart is dirty. You see some men right now, even here, what they will say with their mouth, you will be ashamed. Because why? It is out of the abundance of the heart the mouth is talking. That's why for those of you that watch me very well, who have been following me, there are things I not going to mention, I go just die. Because why? It has not been put in my heart. The heart is so clean that it cannot condone those things. What the heart have conceived is advocacy and activism. That's what the heart have conceived. The heart have not yet even conceived anything like talk show host. That's why today I find it. Not, if I want to even do it, I will do it more better than every other person. But I don't want to do it. It will tell me, when I wear my mother, it will boy him and I have a boy. I tell you, no one, I boy, in a home. I boy, in a reame. And if you don't want, I always judge so that you may not be judged. That's why a book of John, chapter 8, when Jesus Christ, he said, if you know you are not sin, be the first one to cast off the stone. If any of them have even tried to make attempt to cast off the stone, me wa trust Jesus oge na ya we oke ne no kpia wa ya mo kpia no rore wa ya more oge na ya ta so ni ohu opa mu ade ama mo kpiare because their heart iya wa hate ohu for no reason. Why? Because omaga say kene aye e ga no e wete no we phone ni because they talk phone again agele mo kuko opa wu ya ge ka fi ugbe ni voice any man afia because omo okoya to be avekin okay na we no ma we do we fi ugbe ni we go crucify man or man wo fi ugbe na as if we wage wo kan bo ninu hin we zi gbe e do we mo yire ma jo wa e ma so de na they pass all manner of judgment if na mati han yi e yan gun ayi and these same people yan ma ti gba oge ni amu yoto e nwa na wa go we bi ana why said we man ayen egbe na we na giri wo pon we no bobo gun aye mere isu kere omune that to say we en egbe o wa gba no wefo o egunu gbin so woke ni gewe ni na akia he ne eme na mi bieka one na tegbe su na ona emiku. A translation here is not be pandelian for play. A matter on emiku. Not be pandelian for play. He tried to because your heart have been overpossessed or have been overpolluted with thing. That's why today you see some people, what comes out of them are always evil. They are not edifying. Ubae mo pa wonu ya woke eme no watana kabiyesi baba oga wa no wa uvion wa gbeyi no everything you hear from them are polluted eme no keke eme ne kendegbe Why? Because Orion Kere. Guard your heart. If you guard your heart in the time of your trouble, Orion weni mudiake wewe no man. That's why Emaso Warona. There are some people right now. You will just call them Doneru ni mavikuna. Or wana. Egbe wa wowe I. Iri mena gweru nana. Why? Because okbe no ke uwe vekoge. Okbe no ke memi na ni vekoge. There was how can you? Even when they vekoge. Uwe pari owa. Wege nu wa ya u. Wa so wa ya hiri mano yose. Wege se wa. Uge ibeta. Uwe vi ata work by under duress. E court an attaining. And the master with under duress in even in a police station. Amagele no way I make a case complicated in the Gbeno because he have made mistake. You want try not to have made because you don't know I don't know where we work at your team now. Who want that duress? A judge am you a traditional ruler. He must not date duress in our traditional council. I will confirm it dated duress because oh here boa now we are way. Constitution is constitution. Awa mwe mana una wa mwe e gan ri o ge nuri ata o waje amieno bo amamieno bo we wa we wo ko ma no mu no re na we ati o ma na re we ati me wan re aga di tu we ai no we pa. These are the things supposed to have at the back of our mind. So mani lieke gwan ma tale we talo here and there e social media ya von eri ona hiyo eri ona ma ko na o wagi magbunu ma yegbe imadegbe samo wo ba meze imadegbe tuefu eye mi no bu no degbe ga ba wagi averi mano emi ni awu ni age mi ni aga awu enoge ore wu yon rive la dia woke e ayi tubo e o me kena be tu yo we so asunu aga koko gbuena wa radio station u bo government ya talo me awe o ma na gbe me wa radio station. O mana bi awe gwe simi oto udoge woke wa joge police o get asibi uwe tuwe o bebe ke traditional council no ave tubu ya wa me odon ai do tian adota e wa yegere na ezemata igwe wa bi ave to ga woke emenitana you will go to some court una je court even in Europe or some other place they'll give you a Bible to swear. White men they do it, or before they swear you in they ask you some certain things you will say so help me God. Ole Nigerian pa eso ni aso e dem egebe ni o se ege deban o salo baga we adu anyi avin mi no ho a wa wonu do ri ya bo na nu de igi manu ya bolu wa be Dubai nu ya awe gbe no rocha sokoro chawo ali an you lame ave our politicians so we tell salo those things can be activated. Likewise your heart if unhealthy. So you find out that if your heart is unhealthy, it's going to affect your family, affect your career, and therefore it will affect your legacy. All the good reputation said because you know who do a take of your gwe. Ekeni wana gwan we my son ogwawa. Udo mwegbe talk bira udo kien mila na mie emila no ma serve wa na mie webo ho no ga rukpasi abege no gbera ege ne de. In the 80s or 80s. Emila no man say you want me webo one. If you doesn't guard your heart very well. Udo he no go be ka kuku ebube. On a rat race in human race. Ado ami o wanagbon. Ado ami o wanagbon lo lofen. Ado ami o ofen o lo wanagbon. Those are some of the things you don't see. That the very big sense why we must have to guard what our heart. Then point number 3, because your heart is under constant attack. You have to guard your heart because your heart is under constant attack. Because if the enemy were to defeat you today, the best place they can attack in your life is your heart. That's why the Bible urges us in the book of Proverbs 20, chapter 4, verse 23. It says, keep your heart with all diligence. Nu we ya de merike ya we face we ya gwa le merike ovorion denu ya wori owuwe because if ya do ya repitan owe ko o se but e mana gbon ma o so we o gari odogyu we emi no ya yo do no seri ogyu we ya stay o unyimu we wa mi ma so na wu nyimu o wa gbi hu. Charity begins at home. You are not going to be seeing the person dirty. But oga we mi so awo wana if no raw, if not call you roja we mi oga gun oye no honne. That's why you see some people today. You see people you are supposed no reke no lad on do mama mani bon oga gun. When not see call you will be ashamed of yourself. Or mana gun wa gun. These are the problem. So we have to, because your heart is under constant attack. When Solomon says, guard your heart, he implied that you are living in a combat zone, one in which there are what casualties. King David ordered, he said, you are living in a combat zone. There is always casualties. That's why o salobo abere oriona handori o se no o salobo ona we ga gi oriono wan re oriono wan o salobo are na egbu wo kan mu pa egbe na eken no oriona o salobo we na gba oge we are when it is damana o bowo yawe orion wo yawe erere we orion we o yawe because if no ru orion we ido na ya gwa lo pi agwa lo mozo de uwe ido okay ime wanara ya wa de udo calculate orion we erere we ya calculate u mozo we no ade we no aya toge we no aka ya tie ni na he why we no gba bason why gba ne bason ma gba ugie ma ni agba ho e de. Guard your heart. It's very, very important. Guard it because it's always under, constantly being attacked. Very, very. That's why some of the things you see in people today, not that they want to do it because their heart are being attacked. Or you know, Osama bin Laden struck America those days, 9/11. A lot of people right now, a lot of people will say, oh, thank God. But a lot of people right now, at the time you begin to live life, a complete. All the time. Noya oyo funi me wori ronda orion or ronda severe ata noya mwegbe ari o wisi yegbe. Ne mani eti gwo ori o ma di agbon ni agwegwan ni abo ude every day e do na we no gbe kita e wi aso e oni unyime no bon ni mane managbon na me no magi ma mi adogban no. No magi marere seke no eke ni ma je we dene na. Why? Because orima emi ba ene. Why ge Arevi Yoko, Ogari Oba, Ogoto Otewima, Ogari Oba Israel. Iana Yoko, Osisina Bayawe, Egeti can say, very wide. Ugolokori na Buaji, Ugolokori Ejo, Egeti, Ajave no Ekenoje, Ebe no one I have over, guide your heart. That's what the Bible said, put on the armor of faith. Why does the Bible order to put on the armor of faith? That putting on the armor of faith will guard so many things that reflect it. I be feminine no matter what physically or our warrior. O se na a we vivi alude e ma so na okay yari ukoro orion ni eyan ko ejo wagi ma fi o fi uni me wori eni ma gba ori ma Jesu o ebe no wan ogbeni mi no bombu yoto o we mi na we ga we e wo give away eri agore ne regebiri awe mana seti wa bibi na na mwebe no wan ga tie yege wa miegwe agbona wa fure ni mani mari ne rungbe mari yogo bogbe mari yogo hengbe magare to bowe jogu game ma wa se wa salera me o sanoye mi ipon won irowo e bowe na je na ma se pre enemy from my father's house e kenu popo na ri alare mu agba venu we ta we mu agba ni e manu we be mu gba ye ku we ran yan ni anegbota ni. Have you lost them? Don't look at we wage emi no sunu na le duzo la nekere gade. De fon pa nu we yo ana ido tema gbon we ni metana e ti ti agbe me o ma be fo ni me we ni metana wo ke yi iwaji ba ni we na ebe no wa ya kun ajo ebe no wa ya kun ebe ni wa ma I ma tale mu gun gan ma ni bun ma do fi unu gbera ke no ma ke ma fi unu se ne eri ama bo e se eri ama wa mu ari e na eri ama mu e yo bo na but ile no roto alele o se we be book of Proverbs chapter 22 verse 28 or we remove not the ancient landmark which the father have set up. Don't remove it. Don't remove the law. Law is law. If you want to break protocols, you have to be ready to do the unusual. What is the unusual? La ora me doge. Regui. Iwawe. Mowawe. Me wanora me. Lao. Hey. Edowe. O baye mo pa gbofin. Babi tani ya ije. O sewe. Ema. Wedo bohian re. O wegi se. We marieti oyo. Negbuwe. Why? Because the heart have been attacked. Orioni have been attacked. That's why once in a while, carry. Mwebe no one way. The way, don't spend all your time in social media listening to things that will pollute your heart. Don't spend all your time, because at the time it does not secure your heart very well. He not do attack you when he not fear. No way your no maheke we can go. Udo ami awo enwana eri otekaye. Wo ina ye ni why? Because came down your echo in the book of Matthew, chapter 13, precisely I think verse 25. Or a sower went to the seed. Ogbubo. Ona ga yugbo. Ona ya kemi uko. Ogibe kemi uko na befone. Egi agibe re. Iyana do degbe kemi uko no be ko ni egbo e no ko iyana be do ko yo. Ogbo amade avo pari re ona ka ma we ah. Eno nyane. Egbe mi uko na mako. Ize mako. Why na ni jona we giving? Why na miege eri ogire mana he na iwon we ori zoba e o gage na tama we o we wori o we gin azone o we aga izone o wo agbon we no je na ma gbin we ko ri ma bai o we but gin azone ya izone ya tame ma no do e ma no ya ro mi ko ni ya ga re mi ko no ma no ro ya mo go pa den eri no ro ni ai gba lo. He told them, let it grow. He said, Master, was it not good seed we plant? Was it not wheat that we plant? I come about the taste. Or we let them grow. We after they might have grown. Well, at least if you clear them right now, you will clear the wheat and clear the tail along with it. Or we let them grow. Wisdom from above. Why? Because that man know that the heart have not been attacked. His heart is very current. His heart is so much alive. His heart is not yet dead. He knows what he's doing. That is why today a lot of people, because their heart have been attacked, they take decisions they are not supposed to take. Iyekewe roto. Erunde o wanukere. Iyekewe roto runda we eminume wurion. Venu gwalo eji oji. Your back is on the ground not because of your family background. Your back is on the ground because of your decision. Because why? You have agreed. A lot of people today, they are poor because they accepted the poverty. When the poverty, why are a problem or not? Hey, no more rising up. Look at Job, upon all the affliction he got. He was still having the mind. He sang a song. I know my Redeemer liveth. I know my Redeemer liveth. He still sing. Amen. Emioko. Emiri. The word you make be so ni mo ge Job. Ona tambe Job we wari owi o salobo anu wu. Agbon wuye na. Ona we ibanu are ti ave banu ave ari o wa naked that come naked will I go. That was what Job told his wife. It will come to a time in your life, the people you never expected are going to be the one to tell you, Agbon, where you know why not cause God and die. I see somebody today, you have a problem that you feel there is no solution. I see God is a Bamigile coming to that situation. God will visit that situation. But it depends on you. Are you ready to accept, well, Lord, here I am, a sinner? Look at the publican and the Pharisee. They went to the field to go and pray. The Pharisee said, I pay my tithe every day. I'm not like that man sitting over the whole corner. Me ma je woni obo won say now. He pay one afian igbe me. He wa high. Mo ware ma be treat na iri ba ni ana. Mo zege ma me bebe we bonia. But okba no heaven no sago alowo bo ma. O ma tun mu go dukun. Owo salobo age me gire ma. O mo ho ikin. Imate se no gare dogu egwan. Imase no ra no gu egwan, but you come bo. No more bury Tony. Salobana temo. Nothing but more Saloba Murioto. Guard your heart. A lot of pomposity today came into people's lives. They became too bossy. Mokba wa henya now. Mokba go ba dole doji now. Uwe go ba dole doji. Okay now. Otari me oni mene mai na. Vaya go ba dole doji e debe. No ba muni mani matie. Ana ido mi woke we iwatie una iwatie fo. De una ido mi lele no ruwe beni we awa atie e no ba wa go alo e wa na kan na go ba dole doji. Wagi ma we ofi ni me wori e. Unyi tosi ogwe manibun unyi me no magba ogwe manibun wena do body be muoge yegwa hu emi ne regwarion wedo ata emi ni amario body ere madegwa viri me ebe mi agbona se we no moro pawu ero but edo ya pitan owe no fie ko ya fe ga ba kun wa onu ga ba kun ga fie ko. A book of Ecclesiastes of Yabevoa. Or when whosoever that break the edge, serpent will bite. Or mano ya buko nenye enyevu hunye enyegafian. We have to be very, very careful. Our Lord is a compassionate God. The same God that can save can kill. Every man in my and even our biological father, at times they will flog nonsense out of us. They will even carry some stick. Oh, why I vow home? Oh, because you know we in my expect why because talk where you know where you know when you come away where they be down with dobe. Who go you know where Baba Lao you where dobe Lao get we dona will be your quick bovie. What's here where or may your hono boy bovie, but your hono make boy eating bovie. Wagima will you finish me with it? Wami denena we ike kaba oni ye dogun. Iyo manese do, but what's the nina do mobile loebo? Today is let me say okay guy ede na me we you only kaba we gwiye wo me gwan. A lot of people complain ozebogbe what a babo I what a babogbe. I we taban we edo so no ze mind the mini. Ado asi obi rigbo bara. Aga we de ma. Our address on us or kokongbe break it down. So do we vaga uno gyoma no kya joy waga do wa mune waga dikeke mune wa dimoto mune all ye make buffalo. That's why it is good you stay input on your lane. Guard your heart. Very, very necessary. Your way ago anybody cool. Your way. Give me rock pala worion. Omeruni manageni rioge ye ko mare ege ma danwe ko yo rioji ye ko mare ege ma danwe ko yo voji maga neru ni vi marowo kan vi madege ni va kan tell lost prayer we do ruda we o salo baveri ma vijima o me we mi so ni amema no heke ni ma nwa kotore ma mu elele gbegan but e mani bugi nwa iyana se nwa iyana se ayuowe iyana wa nwa kan. That's why you see today a lot of people no working no nwa ene emi ni awo wo kan we o meme be we o meme no ri kun ro we vi mama bonari na vi mama bonari na. Let's gather our heart. Because at the time your heart is being over affected, you have problems. Then many of us are obviously to the reality of this world. We have an enemy who is bent on our destruction. He is not only opposed God, but he also opposed everything that's aligned with him, including us. There's a constant enemy. Egian ibameni o egian ogori magbina no do akemi daji marion all the time e man awe riaviere edowe omumo ewe na gboya son. That is why ugben so wa kian una kian here kian yun vienre enugu uzege ariebe no wan o se ewe o keke ni ma mo bebe no wan ma mo yo be roma because I ain't enemy no ma kekere. Igiti be no wan dokpa ina do de ko ifonpa o we ya be man iwo emi dada we o we nu je be je mi ni han o we na je no we mi o we rie ni han e be no wan je be o je be ya vo severio o wo man agbe wo bi wo bona o na fi obi wo bona o wo we mu bona pa ne or we gbenani or we young gbenani. At times, we react to some certain things due to where a man say, okay, let me sacrifice the flesh. When we are human now. But why we work it, we will get okay, very well. Salobo yabo, or be yabo. But at the time you over escalate it, or with vengeance, Exodus 14:14. Or where I will fight your fight and you will hold your peace. At the time, it been no ekeno salobo agbin nowhere. Oma wa tie bonu uri ne ari owa ugi aya assassin ko where ya be dosisi AK47 wall le malaja baya wa fie. At the end of the day osisi no we money egbu we aya fi because all me no ma heke no ma yun here emi wa ro agbona no wa ga u da we o ma heke no yun here but if the person on one condition please I'm sorry that's why we man egbon na e no gbe man agbon serun da oriyan keke ne iyan ki oriyan ne sun ne iyan gi oyi o fi uni me wo re decision. The enemy use all kind of weapons to attack our heart. For me, this attack often come in the form of some circumstances that lead to disappointment and discouragement. Our attack, and this attack, it comes with some circumstances. Wa mi emi so wa do sunu o wa gbo egbe we no ya gbo egbe ni e ko we do asi o dan sori wari ni ari o wa ni awa fian wa wari ni ari wa ri papera wa gbe but oni ori un salobo a temptation no wegbe ari e ma no wegbe no so ni eragbon na ke mi de that e ku we take up power tamo we nu gbo wan no pa wa were down here inner still voice o e ko ro tarikere wa say ai na wi ragbon na e mo bo violent but no pa eri awa we ya mi we na but at the time you begin to calm down you know the scripture there was a day mena ye mi bo ma de o gan me giri baba o wa na be ti na we ge mi no ta dere wo bude na we wa ko e gbo wa o memere ori wo ponu tan yiri nu ya go e kan na ho e o le kian wenere gba we yiri nu ho e kian e aro invite me na ya that summer that to say don't throw stone at every dog that back at you e kita ya no gbo ma afilu gbegbe wa afilu gbegbe e orere ki sekinu rie yen na lo enemy he used that language for me I was not having any option I drop all my weapon back. Hey, my brother, we're making way larina. That is it. Why? Because dime maka kem any yoto. Any me call yoto ni any lo ni me. No do muri me yoto. Wage na jebe we na no ga wrong. Ko ni ma jebe wrong. Because mete we attack. But he give ge. Ina wo kini wa be hewe. I ke do mega we do se go be ga kiri no gbera dere. E do wa mate wora kan fo. Aron paro no fo na bagbona. O se we e do we kan na bo hyon ma. Ivani anabe boge boma. Let us always mind the way we judge people. Let us always mind the way we hate some people. O ma wa mi woman we ka mo we ne rudo we nu we ka mo ni ni a e mo ga iware then you start speaking those hates. Who de gbe sun eke una ka stop inu ka mo we no. Anya gbon be yo. Ma we ti wa gbe baba na ayere teme we re no ma yebe ma. Yen where you jebe we nani ije weta we no eri oye eri aya won salobo eri aya o ma no gele you salobo ayi even we ke we no my brother hey won bobo e o my we gbo ni but e maso o ti we ni na o ti e fo egen wakaya ku eye ere iyobo nu ka o na yere o ya we lo pesin o ya we polugo obi awo no we mi wo hun eri ma na gbon aye voze na e ma so emi an orion en ona do hion nation because the heart have been over attack o wa mi ma so na o wa makeup wa facial eyelashes wa mi Chinese nene Brazilian hair 22 inches also we worry na of ye picture o ma of your robo o ya vi ono obo gbian. But outward appearance wa mose wa ge ko ibi you know why because the heart have been attacked. There are people today you feel that is living. They are dead among the living. Why? Because the heart have been overpolluted. So we have to be very, very, very careful. We have to be very, very careful. Was they very careful? Then, if you look at it, in this situation, I am tempted to quit, to walk off, feed, and surrender. Even so, they will now want to surrender. Why? Because there's no more way again. This is why you and I are going to succeed, leaders, and survive our individual. We must guard our heart. They are more important than we can possibly imagine. If we lose our heart, we have lost everything. Mana morima for emiya phone. At the time you lost your mind, even so now what lost the mind or why are they yeze? Or what lost the mind already? Or what we were zero ne? That is why Agbon who were you toa like a page man. We man no we have home over the gyodu win. Where the armor Tom Worion where why yet in Yakwe? Where the armor Tom Worion where Ahwe or Gajere Masena? Where the armor Tom Worion where Agbona or Mayefo? A result I ye. Ewa lele ya egena na yena on highway I like a program no emenota we mi rock bavon we yari ba me ya we mi ya unu maka enwe oriona emiga ba na bonafo oriona wa ba emiga ofone. If you lost your heart, you lost everything. It had to where whenever I lost it, you lost everything. What do you do to nurture or recover your heart? What do you do? Or what do you do to nurture or to recover your heart? They mean well. No real way. Make it naga rowe no way. Even so now their heart are dead. They are always just there. That's why you see anything they do is mistakes. In a week, almost how do you know people that lost their heart? They are very, very, you cannot correct them. What is correcting? If you know walk back by, what way back by, you know it all. When I go, my video is gone. Or my video is gone. Una wa family oge, u better was a get here. At the time, we oba work here. If you know, eke no ta, ogita, we go mani lost story one. Oh man, my family video, what you do? I take be your lare no na a mistake ibungbe go. E dori o sanki ma begbe. I go egun. Wa mi ma so na wa go egun wa go egun we wa topa ma wa towe. They are very, very provoking. You can never correct them. We get to correct him. It's Mr. Right. Mo wa hen ya. O man wa gugu an. O we no you no kin ekore yan. We no ka veni wa mo be kori aya we. Unwe wo man there's something wrong somewhere. Emi sunu somewhere. So what am I trying to tell us here? We have to be very, very careful. What was the last time your heart was attacked? And how did you respond? This is a question. I want us to take the question home. What was the last time was your heart attacked? Go and think some certain scenarios. You put in for paper, automatically they gave, as soon as you receive that letter, una will break down why you. At the time your heart is being attacked, and you did not respond to it on time, it will lead to hypertension. And though you osiwu. That's why you see some people who are you koro. Why? Because anywhere agbona mi ro pa iro. That's why a babo e be no one or ya voho we be Proverbs chapter 4 verse 23. Or we keep your heart with all diligence. Or we out of it are issues of life. And if you also want to keep your heart okay, that's the book of Proverbs chapter 21 verse 23. Or whosoever that keepeth his mouth and his tongue, or we keepeth his soul from problem. At the time your soul is free from problem, your heart will be mi okpa ni ko ni aro oge no ba ma owi ekere no gbera ado ba oge ero that is what okeke ni ma wo fi nyime worie kega we ni ma mieke na je mata gbogba na miewe aga fano gba e mata e ga fano onare oya meru tana ni do gima ni wie do hen we osasena ga osenaro osenaro yuji na osena pon ni ma wo fi nyime worie. So for those of us that speak fee where will be to making mezedo it was said to saloboa veni ve hon be say maybe I can be your way no ke can gagmen but in my ya never ma be na I believe where osaloboa we team mama me na be na so we can do so anekere to saloboa why ye mo we say of wa gbe we ni Jesus Christ no me mafa wa dia wo na to wa dia e mi na gun ama wa gbe ari so ni wa ye mi dan emi kemi kinu wa ri obo yi kega ko wa ko wa no ri obo kan video no na ga we do emi no roted do wa o ga so egbe no ma o ki na gbo ki na mu emi na gun ama wa egbe ni Jesus Christ no me mafa he said oba atokpe he said. So let's enjoy this piece of music by the grace of God. Let's enjoy this piece of music. Please, if today is your first time, subscribe to our YouTube page. Just subscribe to our YouTube page and follow us. Follow us. For those of us who always send me friend request, if I'm not accepting your friend request because there's no picture and all of that, I don't feel your girlfriend or about 3,000 friends. Only for na get picture. At least we give me home. If you cannot be my friend, that's why follow us on our page or like our page. International Association for the Advancement of Colored People. So you like our page. Follow us from that place. Mo. We no awe ni osaloba ofian gbo we no ma be ni Jesu. Wa kian na gbe, wa kian na mo. Wa yi lo dede no to akon. Emi no ko ogari yeke wa ro da o. Emi no ko aro da o wa be ari yeke. Be ni Jesu Christ no mi afa. So wa ga ye iwon dona ya bozo ofu wa gbe o. Kenita se kerimata se la wa gbe men yo wa mo wi wa no re comrade Newton. O so ma no iru so ma no re imere eti me enwe na na our palace amaye contract me me gboro but imere orion ya egbe ni do ya go edo ni mi no ma lado meye o wa me won ni jere na yo na ya so esoto na yo na ya so esoto iwa pre ni mi won o yimi na kin abi
come from a very aristocratic background.
No, not be this one, sorry. O me won do ni pe ma do. O ye be na kin Baby no ma die do, mi no ma die do. O sa di Oh, baby girl, God bless you. Austin Robinson, God bless you. Oh, my dear Nigeria. Oh, my dear Africa. Oh, Prince D.Y. Jeffrey, God bless you. Maya people, please just write and let me record. Let me acknowledge you. Write and let me recognize Mr. Yoyin, God bless you. Helen Ruth now, God bless you. Mama Helen, God bless you. Hey, happy Luke, my small mommy, God bless you, God bless you. Trojan, Lawrence, God bless you. Mama Esther, God bless you. Victor, God bless you, God bless you. Magafiweria, Omadieto, Omadi Nigeria, Omadi Africa.
The second Corinthians, who he said, who did the
This is Spanish Jersey. And they play for Spain for National League. That should be the mother of the house, Mama Edith. Ibinoba, God bless you.
Gospel stars of the great Benin Kingdom, home and abroad. You know what can you see? I also have a dear one to wow. And the young wow, Mona Yata, see. The Mao and the great Afiwuria. Manafiwuria, Manoa, I did see.
Oh, Baza, God bless you, God bless you, God bless you, God bless you. Magafiwuria, Omadi Nigeria. Omadi Africa, Osagatao, Osagatao, todo. Va bene todos. Hasta luego. Guna, I love you with the love of God. See you on Saturday. Same station. God bless you.